hello जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम कितना हो सारे तुसी ਇੱਥੇ ਤੇ ਬੜਾ ਹੀ ਮਾਨਾ ਕਸਮੇ ਪੈੜਾ ਹਾਲ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ ਬਥੇਰੀ ਬਾਰਿਸ਼ ਤੇ ਮੀਂਹ ਤੇ ਨੇਰੀ ਤੇ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀ You guys must be thinking, what's wrong with Madeeha? Why she switched to Punjabi all of a sudden? Well, honestly, last whole week has been absolutely bonkers in terms of weather, in terms of uploading my videos and editing, and you name it, and we've got it here. So, as you can see, it's been raining and snowfall and everything, but it made me do my very famous alutiki, the simplest one, the classic alutiki, and that's what I'm going to share with you today. It's the simplest version of me making my alutiki, so let's start. First thing we need is, of course, potatoes. So there are about 600 grams of potatoes, which I've already boiled. The ingredients and their description is in the description box below. Well, the link to them is in the description box. I'm going to lightly crush them. I'm not going to make a mash out of it. Malida na kar dena, madani na pher dena. Just crush them lightly so they are fluffy. I have used King Edward potatoes. Use fluffy potatoes. You know, kehde na pahadi aloo oh istemal karna. And then next goes in very finely chopped ginger. बरीक बरीक बिल्कुल बरीक कटी हुई अदरक चाहिए अंदर मोटी मोटी नहीं चाहिए ताकि मुंह चाहे ददरनी नहीं है नेक्स्ट कम्स हरिया मिर्चा green chillies they are also finely chopped next will be zira this is the roasted grounded cumin mota mota main dadar leni hai normally roast karke that's how I use it how I like it and next goes the potato starch this is potato starch you can use cornstarch or cornflour istemal kar sakte ho but the amount I have used please make sure that you adhere to it next comes this is semi-dried coriander halka jina dry kita hoya hara dhaniya hai easily available Sainsbury वगैरह तो you can get it easily it's readily available in UK and next comes the spices by the way why I used that dhaniya is basically it has been lightly dried out so there's no moisture in it and it won't make your alutiki soggy so what I've put in next is crushed red chilies and whole coriander seeds and of course my first love the sea salt you can use normal salt but I prefer to use sea salt it's more nutritious it's more with health benefits that's how I take it and it tastes nice to be honest and give it a mixy all mixy and we're just going to bring all of it together by the way please do like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so if you like my videos and if you want me to make more content like this so we are just going to bring everything together once mixed well just make a rough bowl out of it or just a mountain or a pile out of it and then we're just going to make the mud pies out of it as they call it here. Not really mud pies, I would say patties. They are perfect for your veggie burgers if you'd like to, or on their own, tea time. It's a very classic street food item across the Indian subcontinent and of course wherever we go we take it with us same as here in England. I mean people love it here in the United Kingdom. So I'm just going to form them in this size patty, normally the size of my palm. That's how I like to make it. You can make whatever size or shape you like. Heart shapes, oval shapes, square shapes, whatever. There is no rules or regulations on how to make an aloo tikki, and this is the thickness I would like to take. Usually what happens is people do make aloo tikki, but either it doesn't crisp up or it is thick or it crumbles in the pan but try my recipe meri recipe zarur try karna you would love it you would definitely fall in love with it and this is make and freeze so Ramadan is coming you can make and freeze 10 I have made out of 600 grams of potatoes and I'm just going to freeze them for 1 hour or so. Once they are firm, I'll take them out and put them in a Ziploc bag. And now I'm just going to fry a few for you to have a look how they turn out. I'm just going to fry straight from the freezer. As you can see, they're really icy on the outside. So there you go. The oil Next thing, shouldn't be really hot or shouldn't be cold. So I would say medium would do. If it's really hot, it's going to burst into oil. And if it's really cold, it's just going to soak up all that oil that you've used for shallow fry. And always shallow fry, never deep fry. You deep fry and they will be, I would say, floating potato boats in your oil. So let them fry for on one side for about, I would say, 5 to 7 minutes, and then turn. Do not push them, do not do anything. Just give them love and care. And that's all these need. They are little babies for me. And I can't tell you how delicious they smell at the minute. I just want to have them. I can't wait till the frying ends. So I have turned them over. As you can see, it's nice and golden, and I'll let them fry on the other side for another 5 to 7 minutes. I'll take them out on a kitchen towel and they're ready to consume. There you go.
Listen to the crunch. You'll probably be listening to the cars as well in the background, but listen. Look how crispy it is.
So my very crispy or cripsy aloo tikki is ready to consume. Tusi pawa crispy ko to pawa cripsy ko iko gala, and I'm going to serve it with my tamarind and ginger chutney and the mint and coriander chutney. Voila, all done.
Look at the crunch.
Oh, it's so crispy, or cripsy, whatever you like to call it. Just listen into that crunch and that crispiness. Oh. Oh, this is heaven on earth. If you don't like it, I do not know what would you like. So this is it. Till next time, when I'll be back with more ASMR videos. Please like and share my channel, and see you on Instagram. Bye bye.